Gantry cranes include ordinary gantry cranes, hydropower station gantry cranes, container gantry cranes and shipbuilding gantry cranes, with a wide range of applications. Most of the structures on the gantry crane are made of metal. If the electrical system on the gantry crane is not well protected, it will not only affect the circuit device, but also cause serious consequences. Therefore, in order to ensure the safety of equipment and personnel, the gantry crane must be equipped with the following electrical safety protection devices. 1. The power-off device mainly refers to the main isolating switch, the short circuit protection device on the main power supply, the fuse, the circuit breaker, the main power supply pressure protection device, the zero position protection controller, the emergency power-off switch, etc., to ensure the safety by isolating the power supply. 2. Overload protection. It is usually set separately. Now, the overcurrent protection device is generally used to avoid the hidden danger caused by the lifting load of the gantry crane exceeding the rated load. 3. Limit device and motion limit position limit device are generally used to prevent excessive lifting, winding and transition of steel wire rope and other situations to avoid accidents. 4. Other devices, such as safety interlock switch, travel protection device, grounding protection device, etc.